Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And we are here to introduce you to a brand new As Seen on TV launch. This is the Floral Finestra Collection. We have this amazing collection of products for you. So it's a 2D collection, but I think you could use them in lots and lots of different ways.
Oh, I think if you liked your home decor, this is perfect.
Yeah,
Whether that be 2D as in pictures, or whether it be 3D as in jars and boxes, things like that. You know, we love to decorate things around our house, don't we?
We do indeed. We have a whole box full of things to decorate in
We
the
do.
especially for that purpose. So let's have a look at the products first of all. So there
Let's have a little gander.
5 products in this kind of collection. You've got a stamp set and a die set, and then we have 3 sets of rub-on transfers.
Should we have a little look at these first, and then we can have a look at the dies? So we've got your 3, let's go up a little bit. Your 3 transfers. I mean, I think these would adorn any home decor.
Definitely.
I think they're beautiful. So we've got your lilies. They remind me of anemones.
They're poppies, apparently.
Oh, poppies.
Yeah, they kind of remind me of like the California poppies.
Yes.
Like
yeah.
especially with the orange ones.
And we've got lilies.
And then these are, I think these are actually meant to be hibiscus.
They're the hibiscus, and they now I've realised.
Yeah. And sort of 4, it's not 4, it's 3. 3 very different colourways as well.
Exactly. Yeah, I haven't made any of these, so all this is very new to me. So I'm sounding a little bit taken aback, I think.
And these are very clever in that they've been designed so they all fit the same area. They're all the same shape, believe it or not. So you do have a set of stamps that work with them as well. So you have a set of roses in this one, and then a whole series of different sentiments.
And some of these are penny ones as well, aren't they?
Are.
We love a penny. So we've got congratulations, your pick of the bunch, sending hugs and hibiscuses. Don't stop believing. You're my best bud. I like that one. Sorry you're leaving. Get better soon. Live, laugh, plant. Poppy in any time. In remembrance, thanks a bunch. I pick you. You make my daisy. Always blooming love.
There you go.
All my blooming love. Wish I learned to read. But you've got quite a selection there that can be used with anything.
Exactly. And then the die set is what kind of brings this all together. So you can use all of these without the die set. You don't have to use the die set at all. But the die set has been designed so that you have just these 2 panels. It's very, very simple.
Let me take that out.
And then you've got a couple of little pieces. Oh, so that's the other thing actually we should mention. In the rub-ons there are actually some little, I'm going to have to open one of these.
You're going to have to.
I am. Because there are some sentiments and bits at the back of these too.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I did not know that.
Ooh.
Oh, yes.
Sentiment squares.
Well, are they in them all?
Yes.
Oh,
so
excellent.
You've got very similar shapes there. So you've got like the square and this nice big rectangle that you can see, and then these other extra elements that you can add on as well. And you can see on the die, so if I bring that up, we have those little panels that you can add in. So you can cut one of your sentiments on a square and place it in between this part. Or one of the rectangles, for example, could go in the middle of here. So you can kind of layer them up.
Yeah.
But these panels here have been designed so that every single one of these images will fit onto it. So if I turn this around that way, hopefully you can see you've got the stem, you've got the leaf coming up here and here, and there's one here. And then coming up here is where your flower is going to be. So both of these panels have exactly the same shape on them. And this and this and this and this all fit into that shape.
That is ingenious, isn't it?
It's really, really clever. Really clever.
So you can layer these up as well, couldn't you?
Yes,
the trellis
you could.
and the window.
Yep.
So you can have an either or both.
Exactly.
I like that idea.
Yes, indeed.
Very nice.
I think, have we released any rub-ons so far?
Yeah, and the
Spring and Sprung. That was the first set. So actually these were designed first. This was our first set of rub-ons. We've had kind of these in reserve, waiting for them to launch. So now is the time. But I think altogether it's a really fun collection. Nice and simple too.
Yes.
And yeah, very versatile, which is something that we all like from our craft products, isn't it?
I mean, if you're into your painting or watercolouring with your inks, with your distress inks, I think that would be stunning.
It would indeed. Shall we have a look at some of the samples so you can kind of see how they work together? I'm going to see if I can find the ones that we did in the craft room first of all.
I think I must have been off when you were doing these.
So there's one, I'm pretty sure this is one of Karen's.
That is lovely.
So you can kind of see how the rub-on then fits onto that area that the dye leaves behind. And then you've got a little sentiment.
I like the layering on that sentiment as well. Just that little fraction of gold coming from behind. I like that.
I think it's just cut the same square again and then
That's what I think it is.
leftied and downied.
Yeah.
And then you've just got one of those pieces. So rather than having the both sides, you've just the one.
Used one.
There's another one. So we kind of did matching sets of these. So you'll probably see there's the same kind of thing in two different cards, but using the other set this time.
So this is your ones with your long rectangle.
Exactly.
And then you've just added in little bits then.
Poke around the edge.
So that means your transfers are going to go a long way.
Exactly. And I don't know exactly what bundles this is available in, but I'm pretty sure you can buy more of the rub-ons if you wanted to add more of those as well. I'm sure we have more of those. This was the next little set that we did then. So there's the
Love the colours you've chosen in these.
And a little gift tag for this one. So I think I made this one. I have a feeling, can you see all the leaves I did in the background? So I actually put them on behind the trellis. And then use foam pads over the top. And then just a little layered gift tag to go with it as well.
That's not a colour scheme I would have thought of.
No, I pulled out basically the colours that were in the transfers. And you can see, like, this is obviously a peer view. This is our smooth peer view, so 240 GSM. But the colours still look really great on it as well.
They do.
Which I think is the beauty of rub-ons. The colour is the colour, basically.
They've kept their vibrancy, haven't they? That is lovely.
And then I think that one is one of ours.
Wow.
Using this.
I'm impressed with these.
Oh, there you go. It's not every day we get to impress Mummy Ali. Where's the other stamped one? This one? Yes. So these two are very different, I think.
Yes.
To using the stamp.
So, colour it or don't. That's your choice there. Whatever medium you enjoy, whether it be pencils, whether it be alcohol markers, inks, paints. It's a nice big area to colour, isn't it?
I'm trying to remember what I actually painted this one in. I have a feeling it's shimmer powder.
Oh. Or is it, glitter markers?
No, I think it's shimmer powder on a pearly cardstock as well.
Right. I like the different shape you've chosen on the front here as well. Because that's not a shape that we would often use.
No. And it's a regular 10-fold card.
Nice.
On the front.
And I like the fact that there's an extra stamp down here. So you're tying everything together then. Very pretty. Love it.
And then this was the one, I think Karen did that one for the Poppies.
Oh, I'm going to show you. I'm going to turn it around and show you like that first.
Yeah, it's probably easier.
And then I'm going to flip it back. And then we can pop it down flat. So this is shimmer powders in the background as well. But they're not interfering with the colour of the flowers.
Yeah, it's very clever, isn't
It
it? So
is
yeah,
clever.
you can put them over pretty much anything.
Yeah. And this is layering up the design. So you've got the open window with the trellis behind it.
Yeah.
That's a lovely idea.
And I really like how that looks, the kind of effect of that as well.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
It's very dreamy, isn't it, the
It
background?
is.
And then obviously on the bottom then, if I turn that back around, you've got your little stop, live, laugh, plant. And we've got some of the smaller rub-ons in the background.
This one is from Christine. So she's actually put hers onto acetate, so it's good to know that
Oh,
they
that's
transfer
nice.
nicely onto there.
That's lovely. So you've taken everything back but made a big thing of your transfers then.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the transfers have gone on to cardstock and some have gone straight onto the acetate. So that's a
They
nice
almost
idea.
look like a little laser cut.
They do.
At that point, don't they?
Almost like your chipboard ones.
Yeah.
That is lovely as well.
I love how we're just completely destroying the set today.
I
We're
know,
just,
sorry,
taking
but
everything
you've
down,
got to
it's
see
fine.
them all, haven't you? You've got to see them all.
That you do. There's another cute little one as well.
That's lovely too, because even though you've got red on red,
You're still seeing
you
the
can
tones.
still see, yes, yeah.
It's pretty.
And I like a couple of crystal drops added on there. That is
Almost
very
like a highlight,
pretty.
aren't they? Just around the edges of
Yes.
the leaves.
Yes.
Very sweet.
Did you make this one?
Nope. I
I
think that
haven't-
one's come in from someone, but it's not
haven't
labelled.
got a name
so
on
yeah,
it.
if that one's yours, let us know. This one is from Christine as well.
Oh, we're going in a different direction now. That's nice. So shadow stamping your sentiment in the background.
Mm-hmm.
And then just adding,
Stamp it.
sorry,
Yep.
one main sentiment. That's lovely as well.
I like that, and like the trellis. So, you know, you could imagine roses kind of growing sideways on a trellis.
Well, they do sometimes, don't they?
Yeah.
What are they? Are they mile a minute or mile something?
Something, yeah, there are some.
And they grow
sideways.
very quickly, don't they? And they'll
Yeah.
grow across a fence. So yes, beautiful.
Lovely colouring on that too.
It is.
I've got another one here. This one is from Cheryl. So again, going with that kind of shimmer powder
Yeah.
in the background.
But again, a very magical background, I
Mhm.
think.
Kind of it makes it look like the flowers are in the garden. You've just got all of the other plants and flowers in the
Yes,
background.
they are out of focus in
Yeah.
the background.
Exactly.
And your main focus then is on your rub-on in the front. That is lovely. Oh, and a little one inside as well.
Yeah, I like that you get the little extra pieces that you can add.
That's lovely.
You can add them to an envelope or something
Yeah.
like that. You know, we don't like to send naked envelopes.
Well, that's
definitely
the
something we do.
envelope that you're going to want to open then, isn't it?
Exactly, exactly.
It's not your plain brown one.
Right, you've got a couple more over
I
on that
have.
side.
Let's have a little look at this one. So again, think of your frames. Because we've got lots of layering dies now. We've got lots of different shapes. But think of how you can bring that in. That's a really cute one. Who's done this one? This is Cheryl again.
I like the glitter behind it as well. Very
It's lovely.
simple. And this has been stamped and heat embossed with black embossing powder.
Nice.
Or clear embossing powder on black, either or. But
Nice.
I really like the edge that gives the coloured
Bit
image.
of relief then,
Yeah.
isn't there?
Very nice.
And then one last one. Let's bring this one in. So again, the colours are keeping it simple
Mm-hmm.
because they're all very blocky colours, aren't they?
Yeah.
Very, very dark colours, which is not something we would normally put with flowers.
No, it's quite nice actually that they're not
Yeah.
all like pinks and
Yeah.
you know, bright like that. They are a different colour scheme.
I like it. I really like it. And you can see the fine detailing on the window as well. It's got that fine line just inside the outer edge.
Which designer or artist is it? Is it a Mondrian that does the lines?
Mondrian is different colours in.
Yeah, the
yes,
blue
the boxes.
and red and yellow and white.
Yes, it
isn't
is.
Yeah,
Yes, it is.
kind of gives me that vibe. Or it's a
It
bit
does.
like Art Deco, I suppose, as well.
Yeah, it's lovely. I really like these. And again, we have an easel card using the smaller rub-ons again. So these are going to make very quick cards, aren't they?
Yes, definitely.
You know, you've only got 1 or 2 die cuts to do.
Quick sentiment.
Yeah,
It's all in. All
Done.
included, yeah.
done,
Exactly.
sorted.
So this is available from our website now, so go and grab these for yourself. Of course, that does mean that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you can also get your 10% TCK discount on these too. We love when you can
Excellent.
have something brand new but with a discount. absolutely amazing. You can pay in installments on our website using ShopPay, PayPal or Klarna. Yep,
Yes.
there we go. Those are the ones that are currently available. One of those will pop up for you at checkout. Pick whichever one works best for you. If you do grab this collection and you make something with it, don't forget to
tag us in your makes.
We would love to see what you're making. You can post those over on our Tonic Studios official Facebook group, or we are across social media. You can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments which of the flowers you prefer.
Yes.
Which ones are you going to use first?
Are you a lily fan, a poppy fan,
or a hibiscus fan? Or the rose stamps? Let us know. Make sure you are also subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ting!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon.
Happy crafting!